handy. What you have to do, very gently fire out the mirror, very gently. Right, it's out. After that, there is a like this, but I'm going to leave it like that. I have enough space to remove this light now. Two bags, then after that I can remove the lens. To reconnect this connector and lined up the all connectors, just press, it will click in. Right, it's clipped. We need to line. From Sanu Motors. Today I got Renault Captur 2019 model. I'm going to show you how we're going to change that mirror repeater. Basically MOT fail, we need to replace to get the MOT. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go to the job. You can see as it is, driver side mirror repeater working, front working, this side working, this mirror indicator not working. I'm going to show you how to replace. If you have a plastic trim removal tool like this, it's a bit handy. What you have to do, very gently fire out the mirror, very gently. Right, it's out. After that, there is a tab here. You can press this black color tab in. After that, you can remove the connector. I'm going to press in. Right, you see, press in this tab. After that, you can remove this connector. Now you can see inside one tab here and another tab there. You need to press that two tabs, one here, one there. Then after that, you can remove the top cover. You need to fry here like this and lift up the whole unit. Right, you can see here, this one clip in, just lift up, and this one leave it out, this side out, then it's come out from this clip here and there. Now we need to remove this bottom black cover also. Same thing, you need to press this tab little bit down, press in, and there is another tab. Once you press this one, there is another tab in here like this, but I'm going to leave it like that. I have enough space to remove this light now. Two bags, then after that I can remove this lens. Then I'm going to remove wiring harness. Oh, someone fixed the mirror without bulbs. Look at that. I'm going to install new bulb, it needs to be amber color. Right, it's in. I'm going to on the hazard switch and have a look how is thing going on. Looks, it's working. Now I have to reinstall everything. Now I'm going to install this holder. Just press in. After that we need to line up here like this and install to this side. There is a tiny clip here, it needs to go underneath here. Right, see, it's fixed. Then after that I had to clip in this bottom cover. It's come through here. Right, now see, this clip nicely, bottom cover fine. Now I need to install top cover. We need to line up here first, then after that just press in. Lined up bottom first, then after that just press in. You can hear click. Right, here in, there in. Right, next step, need to reconnect this connector and lined up the all connectors. Just press, it will click in. Right, it's clipped. We need to line up to the inside grooves. Yeah, it's in now. Right, all in. I'm going to hazard on and check is it working. You can see as it is, it's working. If your mirror indicator not working, you know what to do now. Please follow the video. It's very easy. Please subscribe and follow my channel. You can get a lot of useful tips and video like this. Thank you. See you with the next video.